Siman Kuf Yud Aleph Sif Yud Beis. If somebody has a room which needs to have a bedikas chametz done to it, and he wants to turn that room into a storage room, so then the halacha is that he has to do a bedikas chametz on that room before turning that room into a storage room. And this is true at any time of the year. It doesn't have to be right before Pesach. Even if Pesach just ended, and he wants to now change a room that would normally be mechuyev in bedikas chametz, and he wants to change that room into a storage room. And when he changes it into a storage room, it's going to be practically impossible to do a bedikas chametz at that point. Then he must do a bedikas chametz before turning that room into a storage room. And again, it doesn't matter what time of year it is. Now, what happens if Bidi Eved, he forgot, he didn't do the B'dikas Chametz, and he already changed the room into a storage room? So then it depends. If he has in mind to empty out the storage room anyway before Pesach, then he does not have to clean it right now. If he's in the middle of the year at some time, he does not have to clean it that time. He can just wait till the time when he is expecting to empty that room anyway, and then clean it then for Pesach. But if he has in mind that he wants to actually use some of the storage stuff for Pesach itself, during the week of Pesach itself, then he has to empty the room right now, do a b'dikas chametz, and then put everything back in. Now let's say, now we're going on to Sif Yud Gimel. Now let's say he wants to use this room for after Pesach, meaning he wants to use the storage materials after Pesach, so then it's going to depend. If it's 30 days before Pesach that he made this changed this room into a storage room, and was not planning on using the storage stuff until after Pesach, then he does not have to do a b'dikas chametz on it. He can just be mevatel it, and then that will be good enough. However, if he has if it's within 30 days to Pesach, then he has to do a b'dikas chametz on that room, and he would even have to empty out, if bidi eved, he put all the storage stuff in already, then he has to empty out the room and do a b'dikas chametz, and then return the storage materials back into the room.